Welcome to the NANLINK 2.0 lighting control. In this video, we will introduce the preset functions, namely the fixture preset and scene preset. NANLINK app enables fixture preset to be saved for each lighting mode. You can save the current parameters of a single fixture or group as preset for quick application. Let's take the CCT mode as an example. After setting the light parameters, tap Preset on the right side of the tab bar. Enter a name for this new preset. Tap Confirm to save the current parameters as a fixture preset. When you need to apply this preset, tap the Mode tab above. Tap Preset, and the preset interface will list the names and parameters of the presets applicable to the fixture. To apply, tap the corresponding preset. Tap Enter to the mode interface of the selected preset, where you can make further adjustments based on preset parameters. Return to the fixture list. Tap the menu, tap Preset, and tap Manage Fixture Preset. It will list all the fixture presets saved by the app, including those saved in other scenes for you to easily manage them all in one place. In addition, the app also provides a scene preset function, allowing you to quickly save and apply the lighting settings for an entire scene. After setting the scene light parameters, tap the menu on the fixture list interface, tap Preset, and tap Enter to the scene preset interface. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to save the current lighting settings as a scene preset. Tap the corresponding preset to quickly apply it. Please note that this function is different from the fixture preset mentioned earlier. Fixture preset applies to a single fixture or group, while scene preset applies to all the fixtures in the current scene. The former is particularly useful when multiple fixtures need the same specific lighting settings. The latter provides great convenience for restoring scenes. Okay, that's it for the preset functions of NANLINK app. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us through the feedback column on the app homepage. Thanks for your support.